Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change photo background with AI in Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, I'm going to open my Photoshop mobile application. And after that, we're going to go to the generative fill menu right here and choose a photo you want to add the background. For instance, I'm going to go with this photo. I'm going to change the background of this photo using the AI feature. Okay, and before we change the background, we have to remove the background. We can select brush and you can customize the size of the brush, and you have to draw on the background like this to remove it. Right, guys. Okay, once you're done removing the background of your photo, you can select replace, and you're going to describe the background you want to generate. I'm just going to type dark forest like this, and we can click on generate and just wait for a moment. The AI will generate some images for you and you can use it as your background. Wait, I'm going to try it one by one. And I think I'm gonna go with this one, guys, and we just need to click on the check mark, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change our photo background with AI in Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.